Are you looking to give a new building a touch of old-style detail or add an architecturally sympathetic feature to a period property? Do you want a rainwater system which offers affordability, ease of installation, durability and low maintenance? Then Brett Martin's Cascade is the answer. It's a proven cast iron style gutter and downpipe system that's been described as even better than the real thing and is compatible with existing systems. Easier and safer to handle than cast iron, Cascade offers speedy installation, resulting in time and money saved on site. With a realistic cast iron texture and finish replicated in plastic through a patented manufacturing process, seeing is not believing. You really have to touch it to feel the difference. And with an extensive range of accessories, including period hoppers and even bespoke dates, and a choice of 7 heritage colours: classic black, anthracite grey, Oxford blue, olive green, graphite grey, sandstone and porcelain white, there's a wealth of options to individualise your project and set it apart with those finishing touches. 4 Cascade rainwater systems are available in the range. Pro Style offers a contemporary and sleek finish with a truly cast iron look and feel, perfect for new builds to offer that modern twist on heritage styling. The authentic styling of the round style profile blends perfectly with architectural detailing on heritage buildings. And for greater drainage efficiency on larger domestic roof areas, the deep style gutter profile is a semi-elliptical rainwater system which delivers extra capacity. For larger scale residential and commercial projects, the supersize high capacity round style system is available with a half-round gutter and a choice of round or rectangular downpipes. To complement the rainwater system, a Cascade soil system integrates fully to provide a complete cast iron style above ground solution. Brett Martin recognises that with cast iron rainwater systems, it is often the minute design details that are most sought after by the client. Once installed, the long-term performance of the system is guaranteed for 10 years. The Cascade system is UV stabilised for long-term weatherability and colour stability, and its high-performance engineered plastic will not rust or corrode like metal systems. Cascade is low maintenance and only requires regular checking of gutters and outlets to clear any leaves or debris. With an appearance that blends the past with the present, fast installation, exceptional reliability, and a price tag in line with modern construction, Cascade is the cast iron style rainwater and soil system that fits the bill on all counts. For further information, visit www.brettmartin.com and download the Cascade brochure.